In large organizations, workflows are complex and interdependent. Multiple teams, each with different goals and responsibilities, often rely on one another to achieve overarching corporate objectives. When processes are disrupted, projects slow down. Teams wait, instead of being productive. Deep Clone is the solution, a powerful tool every team can benefit from. First, let's dive into why Jira admins can't get enough of it. Deep Clone dramatically reduces admin workload by making complex tasks fast and efficient, and it empowers Jira users to handle tasks themselves, so admins can focus on what really matters. Admins and users can set up new Jira spaces in a flash by cloning existing ones, with all configurations included. Automations that generate new work are easier to build and maintain, and more reliable, when powered by Deep Clone. And any Jira user can safely copy work items or entire spaces, while admins stay in control. Now meet Nicola, a Jira administrator we interviewed at Team Europe 25, and see how he uses Deep Clone in practice.
I don't have to go choose Kanban always, go to the company managed project. I don't have to do any of that. I just clone all of the project configuration, rename the project, basically that's it. This is why Deep Clone actually can help you out, and this is how you can actually minimize your clicks, focus on more important and efficient work.
Thank you, Nicola. Next, we want to learn how mergers and acquisition initiatives can benefit from Deep Clone. When organizations merge or restructure, spaces and work items often need to be migrated within or across Jira Cloud instances. A complex and time-consuming process. And that's how Deep Clone can help. It can handle even the largest sets of work items. It gives you full transparency during migrations, with clear logs and warnings, while keeping your systems running smoothly and minimizing disruption for users. Jira spaces and thousands of work items can be cloned within or across Jira Cloud instances. Multiple migrations can run in the background at the same time, and every operation gets tracked with detailed logs for full transparency and easy troubleshooting in the clone history. That makes complex migrations simple, safe, and a huge help for admins and teams alike. So far, we've seen how Deep Clone supports more technical teams. Now let's look at how other teams can benefit too, starting with marketing. Managing marketing campaigns involves many recurring tasks and dependencies. With Deep Clone for Jira, marketing teams can work from template work items and spaces, so everything they need is ready to go. Pre-configured clone settings make sure the right information is always included during the clone, keeping recurring projects on track. It's simple, powerful, and gives marketing teams full ownership and control. Deep Clone lets you copy template work items, hierarchies, or even entire spaces in just a few clicks. You decide which fields are copied, and which values you want to update in the cloned work items. The interface is so intuitive that any Jira user can copy work items or even entire spaces. No admin required. Now, we've already seen how some teams can benefit from Deep Clone, and there are many more. But let's finish with one more example. How service teams use it every day. Service teams are the front line of any organization. One of their biggest challenges is making sure this feedback reaches the teams that can actually act on it. Deep Clone can help here too. It speeds up ticket escalation by sharing customer tickets quickly, with all the relevant data included every time. Agents can clone tickets on a workflow transition, through Jira automation, or using presets, making sure the right teams always get the information they need. All without giving everyone access to the service spaces, so work stays secure and efficient. Next, we'll see how our customer Ulrich ensures that every bit of feedback gets to the right team.
I needed to kind of process support tickets that were coming in. There's bug reports and improvement requests, feature requests. How do I distribute all of that support content into the development tickets and into the development teams? Well, we just use Deep Clone because I cloned a support ticket and clone it into the respective projects, and I'm done. My developers can start developing. So, wonderful feature, saves us millions of hours of time.
Wow, millions of hours saved thanks to Deep Clone. We really appreciate the kind words, Ulrich. Now, take a moment to think about your work. Where could Deep Clone help you and your team? Does your team handle repetitive tasks? Do Do you work across Jira spaces or instances? Are migrations between spaces or cloud instances a regular occurrence? Then it's time for you to check out Deep Clone for Jira, the #1 cloning app for Jira Cloud.